Greetings to you. Welcome specially to Engineer Construction Lecture Hub. Today we are going to look at a table where you are expected to obtain the spacings for your rebars, for slabs and for bays. Now, as you know your bars are placed center to center. So this is a table that will enable you select the spacings for your reinforcement. Now, if you look at this, these are the various sizes of rebars. We have 8 mm, we have 6 mm, we have 8 mm, we have 10 mm, we have 12 mm, 16 mm, 20 mm, 25 mm, 32 mm, 40 mm. Now, on this horizontal, we have the various spacings. We have 50 mm, 75 mm, 100 mm, 125 mm, 150 mm, 175 mm, 200 mm, 225 mm, 250 mm, 275 mm, 300 mm. Now, all of these are the various spacings. So what you need to do is that at the end of your calculation, after you have calculated your AS, that AS is the AS calculated. Now you use that value and come to this table. All of these are all AS provided. So you must use that value you've calculated from your AS calculated or AS required. Come to this table and select area of steel that is higher than the area of steel calculated. That will now enable you obtain the spacings for that reinforcement. So assuming during the calculation, during the design, you choose 12 mm, okay, during the calculation of your effective depth, you use 12 mm. So at the end of the day, you have to look at 12 mm diameter bar. Then you look at the areas provided for 12 mm. So assuming you got, let's say you got 570, okay, or let's say you got 650. You got 650 mm millimeters square. That is the area of steel calculated. So you have to come to the table. So when you get to 150, you know that 650 is less than this, 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 but it is greater than this. 650 is greater than this. So it means that you have to choose area of steel higher than the area of steel calculated. So this is higher. So you can now choose area of steel 150. You now trace it up. This is 150 mm. So it means that your reinforcement will be placed at 150, 150, 150. Okay, so this is the area of steel provided, which will enable you calculate for your shear stress. Okay, which we further calculate for modification factor and now check for deflection. So I want you to understand that all of these that are more than 650 is okay to be provided, all right, but from here this way is less than 650, so it is not ideal. Now if you choose this, it means that you have more of reinforcement. Okay, you have more of reinforcement because of the spacing. So it means that this side, the spacing is closer. All right, so if you choose any of this, it is safe, but it's not economical because you have more of reinforcement, more of 12 mm to be used. All right, so this is how you use this table. So I'm going